Alright, hey YouTube, what's going on? Just want to make a quick video showing you guys my two 125 aquariums stacked. Purchased this one with its own stand, then I built the stand around that to hold the upper 125. Flip up so I can still feed. Bottom tank. I have my koi's and goldfish in this tank. Sorry, the glass is a little dirty. They splash a lot. I don't have tops on. And I got the predator tank up here. Some algae eaters, bluegill, my son's painted turtle, and catfish. All this entire system, all the water is connected. They all run off of one water with the DIY Overflow. Both tanks I have set up like that. Which in the next part I'll show you. Yeah, we got quite a few koi in here. A lot of goldfish. Getting ready to take some of the bigger koi and move them to their own tank down in the basement. I want to get a bigger tank going for them. So yeah, I just wanted to get on quick, show everyone my system. In the next clip here, I will show you. What's up, Petals? Tell everyone hello, Petals. This is my son's painted turtle. We've had him for quite a few years now, probably 3 to 4. Had him in his own tank forever, and just maintaining and keeping the water quality good enough for him is really tough with turtle. So moved him out here with and made a predator tank, is what I like to call it, the bluegill. And we got a catfish in here somewhere. He's in the weeds right here. We got 2 algae eaters as well. My son caught all these fish. We decided to add them to the tank to give them a good home. The algae eater does a really good job. This algae that's here is a lot from the turtle light up here. So I guess it's a feeding system for them. I don't mind it. I'll scrape it down every now and then. So yeah, there we are. I'll take you downstairs and I'll show you where, I guess I'll describe now. As you can see up here, the water comes in. I have it drained through what I said was the DIY Joey's King of DIY. Got his overflow, reproduced it here. It comes down, overflows into this tank, flows over here to this corner. The same thing, drains and then overflows down to where I have it in the basement. I'll show you in the next clip. Okay, I'll meet you downstairs. Okay, YouTubes. Here we are down in the basement. Here's where the drain line comes down from the aquariums upstairs to my, what I call my holding tank. I filter these tanks completely off Aquaponics. We take down the cat guards so they don't get to my plants, and I'll show you this. I recently did a tank clean and cleaned out this whole flower bed, and restarting back up put a lot of debris back in the tanks, and that's what you see here. This is just my simple filter, what I use to clear my water at. grab some of this polyfill. Just throw it down into where it comes in. Every day or 2 days I'll just grab this, throw it away, let her dry out, second in the sink there. And then I just grab another handful like this. That's it. That's just what I use for part of my mechanical filtration right there, is just using that polyfill. Obviously I do a little bit better packing it in, but then I use the clay pebbles, just let it all filter down through there, and then I give it a spot for all these plants to grow. I'm starting some broccoli and some lemongrass, got the bamboo back there, and then a couple wipes plants that I'm rescuing that didn't make the winter very well. And then it just drains through the rock into my another system that I'm just trying to get, or if I start up another system, I'm just getting it cycled material, that's all. And drains back into this cow tank, which then I have the pump that sucks it right back up, which goes up into there and back up and shoots into the tank. I have 2 Oscars down in this tank, which probably can't see today. So, for more videos, like and subscribe. I'm going to start doing this a little more. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody for checking me out. Let me know what you think.